Let's talk about this trending okra water. With me here, I have my 2 uncut okra pieces. First of all, how to prepare it. Wash your okra in running tap water and then dice them, chop them into small pieces, and thereafter you soak them in water. Personally, I use boiled water because I don't drink tap water direct from the tap, just plain tap water if it's not boiled. So I pre-boiled my hot water and put it in a jar here, and then I placed my diced okra pieces in the water. And because it's hot water, I leave it for around 3 to 4 hours. It will have thickened up reasonably, but if you're using cold water, you may need up to 8 hours probably for it to become a little bit more thick. And if you may also need to refrigerate it overnight. If you have a refrigerator, you can just leave it on the countertop as you wait for it to become more thick. Let's talk about the benefits of okra water. The most trending one, it improves sexual health. We'll talk about that in more detail. It also helps with weight loss. If you want, it also helps with weight loss if you want to lose weight, that is. It helps with digestive system issues like constipation. It helps with pain management, people with endometriosis and period cramp pains. To learn more about this, how this works, because we can't tell people just to drink okra water. How does it help? How does it help someone to lose weight? How does it help with period pains? How does it help with all these benefits that I mentioned before? So to learn more, watch out for my next video. See you later.